11 Coolest Car Gadgets on Amazon. Explore the coolest car gadgets available on Amazon that combine innovation and practicality for your driving experience. From high-tech navigation systems and smart dash cams to convenient car organizers and entertainment accessories, these gadgets are designed to enhance comfort, safety, and enjoyment on the road. Discover the top picks that every car enthusiast should consider adding to their vehicle. Clutch-it Magnetic Phone Mount. Attach your device wherever is convenient with the Clutch-it Magnetic Phone Mount. This small yet mighty device offers you one-handed accessibility anywhere. Clutch-it features a double-sided magnet to attach to a variety of surfaces with metal plate pads. In addition, it holds your device with strength. Clutch-it is great for your car, perfect for the kitchen, and functions just about anywhere. However, it also functions on your desktop or other flat surfaces as a phone stand. In addition to its revolutionary operation, Clutch-it looks as great as your device. It has a sleek aluminum exterior as well as articulating bases with 100 degrees of movement. No matter how you use it, Clutch-it will hold your device right where you want it. Mountek & Groove Snap 3 Magnetic Car Mount. Maintain your safe driving by using the Mountek & Groove Snap 3 Magnetic Car Mount. The universal design of this mount allows it to slide firmly and seamlessly into your car's CD slot. Coming with a small badge for lighter devices and a large badge for heavier devices, the Groove Snap 3 can keep your smartphone phablet, tablet, or even your GPS at the ideal height without blocking your field of view. The insert is layered with heavy-duty rubber, so here is no risk of it dislodging. Blaupunkt BT Drive Free 211. The BT Drive Free 411 from Blaupunkt is a Bluetooth, hands-free speakerphone system for vehicles that enables drivers to use their cell phones in a safe and convenient manner. It is neatly attached to the steering wheel and has a built-in microphone and speaker. Actually, it has a multi-function feature that enables the simultaneous use of two cell phones. But don't try to multitask using two cell phones while driving. Just remember that the BTDF 411 has this feature, and it might be useful for conferencing or if there are more people in the car. The audio quality is stunningly good because it has inbuilt technology for echo cancellation and for suppressing noise. Just to be exact, the speakerphone comes with a talk time up to 15 hours and standby time up to 400 hours. HitchSafe Key Vault. The HitchSafe Key Vault is a kind of portable safe to keep your valuables safe while you're on the move. It's a solid metal vault locked by a 10,000 combination drawer, which you can easily set and change as required, but anyone else will find it impossible to crack. You can stow up to 9 keys, credit cards, and your driver's license. The HitchSafe itself is protected by a stylish cover and neatly fits into most vehicle makes and models. You can use it on RVs, and it works with all aftermarket and OEM hitch receivers. You do not need any tools to install or uninstall the HitchSafe. All your valuables are solidly protected and completely inaccessible to car thieves and other such criminally inclined characters. Scangrip Starlight. The Scangrip Starlight is a portable and rechargeable work light designed for use in a variety of settings, including workshops, garages, construction sites, and more. It features advanced LED technology that provides bright and uniform lighting, making it ideal for use in low-light environments. The Starlight has a sturdy and durable construction, with a high-quality aluminum casing that is resistant to impacts, water, and dust. It is also designed to be lightweight and easy to carry, making it convenient to take with you wherever you go. SGCB Pro Swirl Finder Flashlight. The SGCB Pro Swirl Finder Flashlight is a high-quality inspection tool designed for detailing and automotive professionals. It features advanced LED technology that provides bright and uniform lighting, making it ideal for use in low-light environments to detect swirl marks, holograms, and other paint defects. The Pro Swirl Finder Flashlight has a durable and lightweight aluminum construction, making it easy to carry and maneuver. It also features a rechargeable battery that provides up to 8 hours of continuous use on a single charge. Kimblade Nano Wiper Blades. Kimblade Nano Wiper Blades are a type of windshield wiper blade that uses advanced technology to provide superior performance in all weather conditions. They are designed to be more durable and longer lasting than traditional wiper blades, and they can also help to improve visibility on the road. Kimblade Nano Wiper Blades are made with a unique nanotechnology coating that helps to repel water and debris. This coating creates a thin layer of air between the blade and the windshield, which reduces friction and helps to prevent streaking and smearing. The blades are also made with a flexible, high-strength frame that is designed to resist bending and cracking, even in extreme temperatures. Pump Pal Reusable Fueling Glove. The Pump Pal Reusable Fueling Glove is a type of protective glove designed to be used when fueling a car or other vehicle. It is made of a durable, reusable material that provides protection from fuel and other chemicals commonly found at gas stations. The glove is designed to be lightweight and comfortable, with a textured grip that allows the user to hold the fuel pump securely. The material is also resistant to punctures and tears, which means that it can be used multiple times without needing to be replaced. HUD Dual System Head-Up Display OBD2 GPS Digital Speedometer. Universal Car HUD OBD plus GPS Dual System Smart Head-Up Display with Navigation Speedometer Alarm Ambient Light Over Speed Warning System Description. 1. OBD plus GPS Dual System. 2. Rotatable bracket. 2 installation methods: center console or windshield. 3. At present, the first HUD with alarm ambient light. The ambient light is normally blue and flashes red when the alarm occurs. 4. The first HUD that has a clock function in the lower right corner of the screen. 5. There are 3 units of turbine pressure: PSI, 100 kPa, and bar. The turbine value can be adjusted and calibrated to increase the fuel consumption unit km/06. Up to 10 Hz refresh rate, no stuttering delay phenomenon. 7. LED car cup holder lights. LED car cup holder lights are a type of automotive accessory that are designed to illuminate the cup holders in a vehicle. These lights come in a variety of colors and designs and are often used to enhance the aesthetic of a car's interior. LED car cup holder lights are available in a range of colors, from classic white to bright and bold hues. Some LED cup holder light kits have adjustable brightness settings, allowing the user to customize the lighting to their liking. LED car cup holder lights are typically easy to install and often come with adhesive backings that allow them to be stuck onto the bottom of a cup holder. Many LED car cup holder lights are powered by USB, making them easy to charge and use. Jerry CL10 Car Charger. Mini compact design doesn't take up much space in your car, and it is very practical. This car charger is equipped with LED light, making it easy to see it in the dark and recharge your device quickly. With an intelligent chip, the car charger regulates power and voltage for your devices. Charge up to 2 devices while you are traveling using this powerful car charger. Joyroom Jerry CL10 Mini Car Charger with LED light. 2 USB ports for charging up to 2 devices at the same time. Compact design saves space in your car. LED light makes it easy to see in the dark. Built-in smart chip regulates power and voltage for your devices. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.